Thanks, mate. Thank you. Today I'm going to try out my new bike after the disaster of smashing my other one. I'm going to ride up to Poulsbrook Country Park from home, which I'm about there now, which is just shy of 10 kilometres. And from there I'm going to try a new route that goes from Poulsbrook to Cresswell. Never done it before, so it'll be interesting. Thanks very much. I've come through Poulsbrook and now I'm on what's called the Clowne Greenway. It's an old railway line that goes from Poulsbrook to Clowne and then onwards to Cresswell. It's been a bit hard this, it's quite uphill, but we're getting there. It's all good. Morning!
Morning!
So I'm about 1.5 miles, 2 miles away from Clowne. So not long to go now before I can turn around. I've covered about 15 kilometres. So probably about another 5 to go. And then I can turn around and come back. Maybe a bit longer. Coming up to Clowne railway station, or what was once Clowne railway station. This tarmac road's nice, makes a nice change. There we are. Nice that it's still here in some form. Clowne and Balborough. Back onto the gravel. We've cleared Clowne now, and I'm just passing. I think I'm passing Balborough, and it seems all seems to be downhill, which is great. No wonder I was knackered getting to Clowne. Just coming under the M1 now. Just before junction 29A, I think. Hi, mate. To my left, I think it's junction 29A to Markham Vale, where I used to live when I was a kid, near there. So in another couple of minutes, I'm going to be back at Poolsbrook, and then back along the canal to get to home. It's been a good ride, this. I'm going to do a quick lap of Poolsbrook Country Park while I'm passing through. May as well do a lap of it, haven't I? Poolsbrook. Or better known as Spike. So I'm now off the Greenway trail, and I've driven through Poolsbrook, round Poolsbrook Country Park, and now I'm on the what's called the Pennine trail, and this will take me all the way home, well, into Chesterfield. Then I can just cycle back up to Tapton where I live. It's been a pleasant run, actually. The stretch from from Poolsbrook or Markham Vale to Clay Cross is it's a very gradual hill, but it's a long one. It's like, I think, 4 or 5 miles. So that was hard work because I've not been on my bike for a while. But now I'm on the stretch home. At Staveley now, just passing the back of Staveley. Now back along the canal, Chesterfield Canal. Time for a pit stop, I think. Go and get a coffee. Oh. Just what the doctor ordered. Just passing Dixon's Lock, and the next one is Blue Bank Lock, I think. Nearly home now. Tapton Lock Visitors Centre. Ooh. Finally arrived back in Chesterfield, as you can see with the Crooked Spire in the distance. All told, that was a decent ride that. Let's get over it. And this is where I leave the canal and make my way home, about 500 metres away. Back home safe and sound. Covered 42.5 kilometres. That's a really good ride. I'm impressed with the bike, it's comfortable. It makes a difference, doesn't it?